Understanding double-faced, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, idioms. Specifically, we're exploring the meaning and usage of the phrase, double-faced. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about idioms, this video is for you. Double-faced is an idiom that describes someone who is insincere or deceitful. It implies that a person has two faces, one they show the world and another they keep hidden. This phrase is often used to express distrust or disappointment in someone's behavior. The phrase, double-faced, likely comes from the concept of masks or the idea that people can hide their true intentions. It's been used in literature and everyday speech to describe deceitful behavior. Let's see how double-faced is used in sentences. 1. I thought I could trust him, but he turned out to be double-faced. 2. In politics, being double-faced is unfortunately quite common. These examples show how the phrase can express betrayal or the duality of human nature. There are several synonyms for double-faced, including two-faced, deceitful, hypocritical. Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary and help you better express the concept. For English learners, it's important to understand that idioms like double-faced are not meant to be taken literally. They are figurative expressions that add color and depth to language. I hope this video helps you understand the meaning and usage of double-faced. Idioms are a vital part of mastering English, and learning them can be both fun and informative. Happy learning!